तो वहाँ पे मैंने अपने कॉलेज के दौरान ही कंपटीशन में पंजाब के में भाग लिया था। उसमें क्या था, कुछ ना कुछ इनोवेशन करना था। उसमें सब लोगों ने अलग अलग चीज़ें की थी, बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें जो कभी सुनी नहीं हो, जैसे करेले की चटनी, हाँ ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें। उसमें मैंने ये दही के शोले डाला था, तो मैं उसमें थर्ड आया था, पर मेरा आज दही के शोले फर्स्ट पे चल रहा है।
What's up guys? Welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. The street food of Delhi, particularly Old Delhi, is quite known all across India and abroad. You get very unique items in Old Delhi, like the Japani samosa. Or if you go to Parathe Wale Gali, you can get Papud ki parathe and Khoya paratha. Or you get Kuremal Kulfi, which is a kulfi which is stuffed inside fresh fruits. Quite interesting, isn't it? But today we are not in Old Delhi, we are in INA market. Here we are going to try a unique street food, Dahi Ka Shole. It originated from this particular shop which is right behind me. The name of the shop is simply Ram Saran Sharma. Dahi Ka Shole originated or was invented just about 10 years back, around 2012 or 2013. So we are going to go to the shop and we are going to talk to the custodian of this shop now. The custodian of the shop is Chef Deepak Sharma, who is Ram Charan Sharma's son. Pandit Ram Charan Sharma and his wife, they are managing the shop. Chef Deepak Sharma is very active. He takes care of the kitchen, which is in the next shop.
ये मेरे पापा की शॉप है। ये बहुत पुरानी शॉप है INA मार्केट में, INA कश्मीरी मार्केट में है। और यहाँ पे हम पहले ट्रेडिशनल कचौड़ी, ब्रेड पकौड़ा, समोसा ही बेचा करते थे, जो मेरे पापा का एक्सपेक्टेशन है बहुत पहले से।
वो अभी भी है?
अभी भी है।
हाँ।
लेकिन क्या है कि अब हमेशा मार्केट में कुछ ना कुछ नया चाहिए होता है, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ने के लिए पुरानी चीज़ें थोड़ी छोड़नी पड़ती है। ये कोई एक ऐसा आइटम है, जैसे पहले बनते थे ब्रेड रोल बनता था, मैंने उसको चेंज किया थोड़ा सा। मैंने उसको स्टफिंग चेंज करके, उसके शेप चेंज करके उसको दही के शोले बनाए। और इसी में मैंने और बहुत तरीके के शोले बनाए, जिसको मैं जो भी शोले बनाता हूँ पहले बना के कस्टमर से ही टेस्ट करा लेता हूँ। जब मुझे 2-3 दिन अच्छा रिव्यू आता है तो मैं उसको अपने मेन्यू में डालता हूँ। अभी हमारे पास 5 तरीके के शोले हैं, जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा बिकता हमारा दही का शोला, जो शुरू से चल रहा है आज तक, जिसके लिए हम फेमस हैं। उसके बाद पनीर, चीज़ में एक और ऐड हुआ है, इटालियन चीज़ शोले, और एक अफ़गानी शोले है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है। मैंने एक्चुअली होटल मैनेजमेंट किया हुआ है, मैंने पंजाब से होटल मैनेजमेंट किया था। तो वहाँ पे मैंने अपने कॉलेज के दौरान ही कंपटीशन में पंजाब के में भाग लिया था। उसमें क्या था, कुछ ना कुछ इनोवेशन करना था। उसमें सब लोगों ने अलग अलग चीज़ें की थी, बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें जो कभी सुनी नहीं हो, जैसे करेले की चटनी, हाँ ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें। उसमें मैंने ये दही के शोले डाला था, तो मैं उसमें थर्ड आया था, पर मेरा आज दही के शोले फर्स्ट पे चल रहा है। उसके बाद मैंने लगभग अराउंड 6 to 7 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस लिया है मैंने। जैसे स्टार्टिंग किया था रेडिसन ब्लू से, महिपालपुर में, दिल्ली में ही है। उसके बाद मैं सायाजी में ज्वाइन किया था, सायाजी बारबेक्यू नेशन, सेम चेन है पर अलग अलग वो है। उसके बाद मैं बाहर रहा हूँ 4 साल, सऊदी में भी रहा हूँ, बहरीन, और लास्ट में कतर में था, दोहा में। वहाँ पे था मैं टेक्सास रोड हाउस।
इनका जो चीज़ शोले है बहुत ज़बरदस्त है, टेस्टी है। यहाँ पे इस साइड जब भी आना होता है तो मैं हमेशा आता हूँ।
So if you come to this shop, it is just not fried items like dahi ka shole, Afghani shole, cheese shole you can taste. You can also have healthier option to eat. They have a smokehouse burger and they have a chota sub. Chota sub has got paneer inside. It is about 80 rupees, and the smokehouse burger is a small burger with aloo patty inside, and it's about 40 rupees. So you have a wide variety of choices, including the traditional samosas and bread pakoda and many other things. So first we'll try dahi ki shole. This is the famous dahi ki shole. What is inside is hunkered. There is capsicum, there is onion, and there are mild spices. I think there is little bit of pepper powder and jeera powder with the bread, of course. So let's taste dahi ki shole. Extremely creamy inside, and you can get that slight tanginess of the dahi, of the curd. I can also get the crunch of the onion and the capsicum. Fantastic combination. It's very crispy on the outside, it's still piping hot, but inside very creamy. I'm going to dip this in the chutney. That is some green chutney. It is really thick. Just see how it looks. The chutney is mildly spicy and is superb, man. Must try, and this is the #1 dish which sells from here. Superb. So this is the Italian cheese shole. You can see the stuffing. You can get the cheese pull. Wow. Now I have to break it to eat it. So along with the cheese you can see some stuffing inside. We'll take a bite and we'll taste it and see what this is. The cheese is so good, and I think there is pizza sauce inside. It is like eating a pizza shole. Yeah, it is ditto pizza inside the shole. Very different and very unique, but this really works. And the cheese is good. cheese is oozing out from everywhere. But I don't think you need a chutney for this shole. This on its own is super tasty. So this is the hara bhara kebab. This one piece is for 20 rupees. Let's break this and see. Yeah. You can see the rich green stuffing inside. It's piping hot. Lot of green goodness here. I'll take a small bite of this without the chutney and see how it is. There is potato, there is aloo inside. I don't know whether it's matar or spinach. I think it is spinach. I can get the taste. But with the chutney, I think it will be good. Oh, there is matar inside, of course. This is spider roll. This is also for 20 rupees. It's quite interesting. I have not seen this anywhere else. So let's break this and see. I'll take a small piece. It is totally crunchy. You can hear the crunch. And just see inside. I think it is potato filling. It's very different from hara bhara kebab or dahi ka shole. Very different. But if you see from here, it's quite interesting. It has got corn inside. Let's see what else is inside. The taste of the stuffing is little bland. Corn is there. And there are some spices which are very mild. But it's quite interesting because super crunchy and super soft inside. So we have tasted 4 things: dahi ka shole, the Italian cheese shole, the spider roll and the hara bhara kebab. All 4 were good, but my favorites dahi ka shole and the Italian cheese shole. So if you're passing through INA, you can just stop the car here or your bike here and you can taste the sholes from the shop right behind me. I'll give the address of the shop and the location in the description below. Dahi ka shole. The name is interesting, isn't it? It originated right from here when Chef Deepak Sharma was a student. He tried making this and he came 3rd in the competition. But he says today his dahi ka shole is number 1 here. So do come and try the dahi ka shole from here. If you have not subscribed to my channel Chomping Champion, do it right now. Give it a huge thumbs up and share the video if you want to show it to your friends and family. We are on social media and we have a website www.chompingchampion.com. Till the next episode, take care and stay healthy. Bye.